Hello guys, this is Farjana. In today's video I will show you how you can make a WordPress website completely free. So today I will show you how you can get a free domain and free hosting, and with all others free stuffs you can make your WordPress website. So if you need a portfolio website, or if you need a business website, or any kind of small website, and you don't have much money to buy a domain or hosting, but you need a virtual existence, the virtual web page to display your business or to display your portfolio, and only for that case we can follow this step-by-step process. And here is the final result which you are going to make in today's video. And this website is completely ready for tablet and also for mobile view. And for this website we will use most amazing drag and drop builder, Elementor. And you will find a timestamp in the description, so you can jump any specific part you need. Alright. Okay, so for today's video we will go through 6 simple steps. So the first one, I will show you how you can get a free domain and hosting. So for that I'm going here Infinity Free. I will leave all these URL in my description, so don't worry about this. So from here, first I'm going to sign up. And here I have to create a free account. So first email address, I'm typing a test email, then a password, confirm password, and I have read and agreed the terms and service. Then click here and create new account. Okay, so I have to log into my email address and need to verify this. So I'm going to log in. Then here I got an email. I'm checking this verify email address. Okay, so my email address is verified now. So now I have to create a account. So here is basically 2 options. One is we can create a subdomain under this domain, or if you already have a domain, so you can use it with this hosting. So that case you have to type your domain name here. Okay, so for this time I'm going with the subdomain. So here I'm typing a name, for example Farjana R, and here is the domain name. So now I'm going to search domain, and this name is available. So my domain name will be farjana.freecluster.eu. Okay, so then we have to put a password, and I'm not a robot. Okay, create account. Okay, so now my account is created. Now we can open the control panel from here and scroll down. I approve. So my cPanel is now loading. Okay, so our cPanel is loaded. Okay, so now going to steps 2. So from cPanel, now I'm going to install WordPress. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and from here Softaculous apps installer, and from here we can install the WordPress. And now here is the domain URL, and here is site name, site description. We can make it to my name, and site description we can make it to agency website. And here then we can type our admin username. So I'm typing admin And password, we can type any password which you can remember, or you can save this password to any place. So I'm typing something common, and then we can keep all as it is. And now going to install. Okay, so our WordPress is installed successfully. So now I'm going to WP admin, and from here if I go to visit site, okay, so this is the WordPress default look. So we have successfully installed our WordPress. So now going to steps 3. After installing WordPress, next I'm going to install a theme which will work mainly for our website design. Okay, so going to dashboard again, and by this time I'm just removing all others tab. And now from here I'm going to appearance and themes. And now I'm going to install a new theme. So going to add new and searching for Astra. Now going to install. Now going to activate. Okay, so here is starter template for Astra. So they are recommending to get started. So I'm going to get started and activating. Now here is several options for page builder. So I like to use always the Elementor. And now here you can see here is tons of pre-made layout which you can use for our website design. And here some of pro version and some of the free version. As in this tutorial I am trying to focus all these free items. So now we can filter from here only free. And here I'm searching for a business or agency website. So here we can try any one. Now I'm searching for agency, and here we can select any one from here. Okay, for this time I'm taking this one. And here we can see here is several pages: home, about, case studies, contact, and what we do. So from here we can import any single page, or we can import the complete website. So when we import the complete website, it will import these 5 pages at the same time, and also it will install all necessary plugins. So for this time I'm going with the import complete site, and here all is okay. Now going to import. We can skip this part, going to skip. Okay, so site imported successfully. Now I'm going to visit site. Okay, so now we can see our website is completely ready. So the home page is imported. So cool. And next, what do we do? So we can see these are so easy to do. Case studies, these are kind of portfolio. We can use it as portfolio or work page if you want to make your portfolio website. And this is about us, and then contact. So they have also imported a form. Okay, so now you can see our website is ready. So now we are going to steps 4. So now I will show you how we can customize and upload our own content. Okay, so to edit the website, for example, if we want to customize the home page, just simply click on Edit with Elementor. And now if we want to change any text from here, just click here, and from the left side we can change our text. For example, here I am typing make a dream website, and it's changed. And the similar way, if we want to change this text, just click here, and from the left side we can change it. And in the similar way, if we want to change this text, we can also do that. And this similar way will work all over the website. And here if we want to change this image, I'm going to edit this column, going to style tab, and this image is coming from the background image. So from here you can upload a new one image. From here you can select a new one image, or we can change another one from our library, and also same for all others. If we want to change this one, just click here and here is the image. So we can also upload our own image instead of this. And after making any changes, we have to click on this update button. And now again I'm going to the view page. And now if we want to change the logo and the menu area, so for that I'm going to customize. And for this header area, you can see here is the icon. Just simply click here, and here is the logo. So if we want to change this logo, change logo, going to upload file. I'm uploading a new one. I'm selecting this one, select and skip cropping. Okay, so here is showing a new logo. And for the menu area, if we want to change the style, just click here, and from here we can change the menu design. So here by default, here is the link color is the pink color. We can change it, and here is the background color of the menu. We can also change it, and here is the default color to white. We can make it to another color. Okay, so now I'm making it to white. And for the footer area, if we go down, here is the footer. So similar way, we can click on here, and here is the copyright text. So from here we can change the copyright text, and from the right side if we change it, here is also the text powered by dash. So here we can also change it. And this complete area is for footer, so we can also edit all this section. These are coming from widgets. We can also change this text, and this one is also from here, and also this one. If we want to change the link for the Facebook, we can change it from here, and similar for all other. And here, after making all these changes, don't forget to click on the publish. Okay, so now I'm going to the home page again, and for the what we do page, all others pages is same for edit. So for all others pages, if we want to make any change, just click on the edit with Elementor and start typing. Now I'm going to the contact, and here is the form. So I'm going to edit with Elementor, and here you can see here is the new form. So I'm going to edit. This form is coming from WP forms. So to edit this form, we have to go there. So now I'm again refreshing the dashboard, and here is the WP form. So this is the form which we can see here. So now I'm going to edit form. So this is the form field. If we want to change any form field name, just click here, and here is the form level name, and this is the format first name last name, and this form will be mandatory or not. This is required from here. And if we go to the advanced option, so from here we can also add some more customization, and similar way for email field. So here we can also change the level, mandatory or not, and from advanced option can also add some more customization. And for the submit button, so for that I'm going to the settings, and here is the submit button text. We can change it to anything, and here is the form name. And next, going to notification. So by default, here is the admin email address. So when any people fill this form and click on this submit button, all this text will go to the email address. If we want to add a different email address than your WordPress website, so you can put it here, and here is the email subject, here is the from name, here is the from email, and here is all this form field. Then here is confirmation. So when someone fill this form, then you will get a confirmation message. So by default this will show this message. You can change it to another one, or from here different settings. So when someone fill this form and submit it, after that they can redirect to a certain URL or they can redirect to a certain page. Okay, so after making all these changes, just press on the save button and cross it. Okay, so this is all for the contact page. And one more thing, if we want to change the font size, font family, font style, anything, just click here and go to Style tab, and here is the typography. So from here we can also change the font size to 22 or 40 or anything as we want. And also from here we can change the font family to different one. Also here is font weight, font transform, text transform, we can make it to uppercase, or text style, text decoration, line height, letter spacing. We can change all these. So for all specific widgets you will find this style tab, so you can change all this style, all this design as you need. And now I'm going to saving it and going to view page. So now you understand the concept, how you can customize the website and how you can upload your own content. So now step 6, if you need to create a new page, how you can create that. So now I'm showing how you can create a new page. Okay, so to create a new page, first I'm going to new and from here page. And here before creating this page, first I am making it off to this view. So now I'm going to full screen mode off, and now first I'm installing another plugin to disabling this Gutenberg mode, because sometimes this builder creates problem for me. I'm not so much comfortable with this builder. So for that I'm going to plugin and add new plugin, and now searching for Gutenberg, and this one I'm installing disabling Gutenberg and activate. Okay, so now again I'm going to create a new page. We can also access it from page and add new. And now here I'm typing the page title. So I'm typing, for example, new page and publish. And then I'm going to edit with Elementor. And here is 3 different options. One is start from scratch, so we can start from scratch. And another one is we can also import any pre-made layout from Elementor. And the third one, we can also import any template from Astra starter template. So now, for example, I'm taking a new page. So here, for example, I'm taking from here a new page. We can take this one. You can select any one. I'm just showing you how you can do that. Now I'm going to import template. Okay, so now you can see this page is imported. But here you can see one thing. Sometimes you will find that if we select a different design page inside others design pages, so that case it will not match the design flow with our others pages. So that case we can do one more thing. We can just duplicate our one of the existing page, and then we can customize with a new content. So I'm just saving it as it is for now, and next I'm showing a new way. So now I'm going again to install a new plugin, and now I'm searching for duplicate or only duplicate. Okay, so now I'm installing this one, duplicate page, and going to page. And for example, we are creating a portfolio or work page or services or anything. So for that I'm just going to duplicate the about and here is the draft version. Now I'm going to edit, and this one we can make it to portfolio, and now we can also remove the URL, so it will get from the portfolio text. So it's by default taking this name, and now I'm going to publish. And now if we go to the edit with Elementor, so from here now we can change this about us text to portfolio. And here we can also customize or change all these text. So instead of team member, here we can add some our portfolio image, and we can also add link with our portfolio. So that case we can remove this section, and we can also remove all this. And here is another text. We can change it to our work, and also we can change this one, and instead of people, here we can put our portfolio image. And also here some text, we can remove all this. So here we can delete all this. Okay, so now if we want to change this image, for example, I'm just uploading some dummy image, or from here if we just replace some of my work, this one, and this one, and for this one we can increase the image height from style tab, increasing the height, and make sure your object fit is cover so it will not be stressed. And if we want to add any URL with the image, that case we can do it from bottom area, custom URL. So we can also add URL with our image, and we can also add one more image in this area. And if we want to increase the size, we can also do that like this way. So here is much more customization option. Okay, I'm going back. For this time I'm okay with all this. I'm just going back to previous state, and now I'm just saving it. Okay, so I'm done for this page. We can also change more as per our need. Now I'm going to view page. Okay, so this page is done. Okay, so now the final steps. Now I will show you how we can add this new page to our menu item. Okay, so for that I'm going to here and going to menu, and from here is our default menu, and here is our new portfolio page. Now click on add to menu, and here is the page. We can also move it to top, and now save menu. Okay, so now if we go to our website, you can see our portfolio page is added. And now if we finally check the responsiveness of the website, if we check the tab view, this is ready for tablet. And also when you check the phone view, it's completely ready for phone view also. So we need not to worry about all this responsive view. So here is all for today. If we want to learn more about how to customize a website, how to make a pro website from start to advanced level, I will leave all this tutorial link in my description. And finally, one more thing I want to say you, if you have money, you should always go for a premium hosting and domain, because you know free is always a free, and when you spend some money, you obviously get some pro service. So when you will buy a good hosting, for sure you will get no downtime, and you will get a fast loading speed for your website, and you will get a best support anytime instantly. Alright, so if you find this tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and welcome to my next tutorial.